DG stock analysis, massive update for Monday and onwards. Am I buying now? I'll be breaking this down in this quick and short 1-minute video. Now here's the big thing here. All I'm doing here is using my technical analysis with my strategy that I've refined over 45,000 videos over 5 years. It's taken me 5 years and tens of thousands of dollars on courses and mentors. And because I see like a very solid bullish market, which previously I lost the trade on, I'm still looking to double down and buy, right? Like, to put it simple, here's the range that I just saw that we have freaking broken structure of. And here's the target at the top. Since it's kind of pulling down, the only thing that I would hope I see is a little pull down and a double break. Right? Unless I see that actually happening, then there's just no freaking way that I'll be looking to buy this market. This is crucial. This is critical because just assuming a reversal, 8 times out of 10 you're going to be wrong. Well, how do I know this? Well, maybe because I've done 45,000 video and I collected data. That's just my numbers, right? It's not financial advice. All I'm doing in the meantime is just waiting for rules to be met. And if you want to stay tuned and get free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. I'll see you in the next one.